Welcome back to A Healthier House with Julia and Roger. In this video, we are going to show you how to change out your AC filter routinely, and then a couple of tips and tricks we like to do afterwards in order to keep our AC running more efficiently. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. That will help us out a lot, and let's get started.
The reason why you want to change your air filter is so that your air unit runs efficiently and pushes out clean air, actually reducing the cost of your energy bill. But most importantly, especially if you have allergies, it's going to pick up all the air contaminants in the air like dust, pollen, or any pet dander. So definitely change it every 3 months to 90 days. Let's turn the AC off at the thermostat. Okay, so in your attic, your basement, or your utility closet, the air filter is going to be in the air handler. And what I did here is I wrote the airflow and the actual size of the air filter, just in case. And you can see here, the air filter has the dimensions and the airflow arrow. And we have a box up here with a set of 3 ready to go, just for future reference. And there's only one way this can go, so if it doesn't fit, just turn it around. And airflow going to the right side. Put the grooves back in for your cover. And what I did here is I put a screw for mine, just so it doesn't accidentally come off. You're all set. I'll show you 2 things that I do after I change the air filter, which you're welcome to do. Is first, I clean or dust the air vents. Second, you can go ahead and go outside with a hose and wash off your air unit. And this is just going to take that excess dirt and debris off, helping your unit run more efficiently. Okay, you're all set. Just go ahead and don't forget to turn the AC or heater back on. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.